Hi guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing well. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and let's get into our today's updates. तो सबसे पहली खबर ये है कि चाइना से चीज़ें रिलैक्स हो गई हैं as we were hoping. So China has injected about 19 billion to bail out Evergrande. तो इससे चीज़ें काफ़ी रिलैक्स हो गई हैं. Things are a lot better. So we are hoping that it will carry on and most probably that will stabilize all the markets. तो इसमें देखते हैं कि क्या क्या हुआ. तो चाइना सेंट्रल बैंक इंजेक्ट्स 120 बिलियन युआन into banking system after concern over a debt crisis at Evergrande and Royal Global Markets. तो ये हमने देखा कि ओवर द पास्ट जब ये इवेंट शुरू हुआ एक दो दिन की वजह से हालात बहुत ख़राब हो गए सारी इंटरनेशनल मार्केट्स में. स्लोली आफ्टर दैट थिंग्स कैच्ड अप एंड थिंग्स आर लॉट बेटर नाउ. So Reuters reported that BlackRock, HSBC, among largest buyers of Evergrande debt. So BlackRock is one of the biggest real estate companies. This company buys land all over the world, और इनका मिशन ही है कि they own all the land in the world, you know. So there are people like that, you know, quite evilistic kind of approach, but they always bail out big companies and they wait for companies to fall down so they can buy their shares. HSBC is obviously a Chinese owned company, तो हो सकता है गवर्नमेंट ने उनसे बात की हो कि आप दोनों मिलके हमारी इधर हेल्प करते हैं. लाइक वी न्यू दिस वाज गोना हैपन बिकॉज उनकी जो हुकूमत है वो हर चीज़ डायरेक्ट नहीं करती है. दे आर वेरी सफिस्टिकेटेड विद द थिंग्स दे डू. सो हमें आइडिया था कि दे आर गोना यूज मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली देयर ओन प्राइवेट कंपनीज एंड आस्क देम टू बेल आउट एवरीथिंग. तो अभी हो गया. Oh, sorry to be the guy who asked the awkward question, but when can we expect to see China bail out Evergrande and pump the market? तो ये हो गया है already. We saw that market begin to pump. These are some charts by Lorik Davis. तो अब हम लोग चलते हैं एक और बड़ी खबर की तरफ जो है स्पोर्ट्स NFT गोल्ड रश. स्पोर्ट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा NFT का गोल्ड रश लगा हुआ है आजकल. तो दिस प्रोजेक्ट रेस अबाउट 930 मिलियन इन अ वीक. दैट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन अ वीक. तो ये डैपर लैब्स है और डैपर लैब्स की बहुत बड़ी बड़ी ऑलरेडी स्पोर्ट्स क्लब सेलिब्रिटीज़ के साथ एजेंसी है. it keeps on increasing, so they're doing very well. As we can see, they just announced a big collection with NBA Top Shot or French-based NFT trading game developer. They are already doing in Series B funding with Japanese fintech giant SoftBank. So there's a lot of actually things going on in the NFT sports industry as well as it's happening in gaming. We're going to discuss all that on the Saturday where we discuss our NFT gaming and our NFTs. So let's get understand more what's happening. They have also partnered with Google, so that's massive too. Google is basically giving them their servers, online servers to create their own database, use their website hosting. So quite interesting. This was a big news. This others news too, but the problem with a lot of news in our fundamental analysis is a lot of the news can be hoax, you know. So you have to be very certain कि जो भी खबर आ रही है वो सच है, सच ही सच है. Then only, you know, I can show it to you. Otherwise there's no point. I show it to you now, बाद में पता लगा वो खबर wasn't real. So that's a massive problem in this industry right now कि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्निकल एनालिसिस पे डिपेंड करना पड़ता है, ऑलमोस्ट 60 to 65%. बिकॉज खबरों में क्या होता है, एनीथिंग कैन हैपन, you know, and obviously you have your gut also about 10%. Let's do what we always do. Check out what's greed. Greed is a lot better today. It's at 27, better than yesterday's 21. तो extreme fear से हम fear में आ गए. Those whoever did buyings yesterday should be already in some good profits. That's how it works. You buy the fear, you sell the greed. Just hold on right now. It's not the time to take profits. If the market cuts somewhere here, that's the time you take profits. Crypto, let's see what's happening here. So as always, I'm gonna go collect my gems so I can have more NFT. I just minted NFT also. I'm gonna share that with you guys on Saturday. I'm trying to sell them. थोड़ा सा tough time मिल रहा है, but I'm seeing slowly I'm getting views, but I haven't made a sale yet. Inshallah, hopefully I will. So next we go back to our coin cap. तो अभी ये सिचुएशन है, इट्स एट 44. Our dominance is at 41.8, Ethereum is at 18.6. We can see an increase. Yesterday we had a decrease in the market cap overall. आज एक increase आ गया 5.37% over the last day. तो टोटल मार्केट कैप जो है वो ऑलरेडी विच मेक्स इट 17.15% डिक्रीज. ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा डिक्रीज भी, वी स्टिल हैव टू कवर अप द लॉसेस वी मेड. बिकॉज जब एवरग्रांड की स्टोरी आई तो उसके बाद मार्केट वेंट पैम, सो वी नीड टू अगेन नीड सम मोमेंटम, स्लोली गो बैक अप एंड मेक बैक आवर गेन्स. सो थोड़ी सी डोमिनेंस में डिक्रीज आई है. दैट्स द रीज़न वी बिगेन टू सी मार्केट्स slowly recovering, because we always need Bitcoin's dominance to be in control for the markets to be pumping. Let's get further and see what's happening. So Bitcoin is green, Ethereum is green, ADA is green, Binance Coin is green, XRP is green, Solana green, Polkadot green. Everything is doing pretty much well. सब कुछ अच्छा बम्प हो रहा है. AVAX very well, almost at 80. Things are looking very good for AVAX. Chainlink green. Most coins are green today. So we'll do a quick one, and then what we try to do is click on our 24% and see which were the big gains. Alright, so Bitcoin SV is down. It was up yesterday. Anything else? True USD, stable coin, can't really count it, another stable coin. So what I've seen now is Bitcoin SV is down and mainly some stable coins, but we'll figure it out right now. So the massive gainers are Arweave, Luna, Cosmos, AVAX, XC Infinity, Tezos, Solana, Celo, EGLD, Phantom, Decentraland, Polkadot. Man, this is just amazing. Very nice. Engine is a very good coin. If you don't have Engine, you should have some, at least some, you know. They're also very big in the NFT market. Quant is back up, Net Protocol, WeChain. Overall, what I'm seeing is market are doing really well, and I told you Wednesday, Thursday the market will start doing better, and we already start seeing that. And I'm seeing a good weekend also. Okay, about maybe Saturday, Sunday, it will be all right. Either we'll be sideways or we'll have a massive correction again. So be prepared. मतलब दोनों में से कोई एक चीज़ हो सकती है. तो अगर एक चीज़ हो रही होगी, you could already figure out. And I'll be here on Saturday, so we'll know what goes on. No need to worry. Let's see whether the institutions bought today. तो इंस्टीट्यूशन ने अपने प्रीमियम इंक्रीज़ किया है इथेरियम के अंदर, लाइट कॉइन के अंदर और बिटकॉइन कैश के अंदर. And yep, even they are pretty much happy. Seems like they did some buying. So interesting stuff. इनने भी बाइंग की, रिटेलर ने भी बाइंग की, शोर वेल्स also filled some bags. So it's good to see people bought a lot, and now we're seeing a good uptrend again after a short bearish period. तो अब देखते हैं कि क्या इवेंट्स हैं. So we have a big event for on 25th September. So if you don't have Cardano, you should be very excited about Cardano. And let's see what else is here. Is there any Binance Pay? This coin is getting listed. My neighbor Alice is getting listed on Qcoin. The Sandbox has an event. There's a lot of events these days for NFT and NFT games. Then Nair on Telegram AMA. Another coin has a listing on Qcoin. Pretty much. Oh yeah, the Umbrella network is also a very good thing to buy, but the problem is it's on Ethereum network and it has a very expensive gas fees. तो इसको खरीदने में जो है ना गैस फीस में बहुत पैसे खर्च हो जाते हैं. Then this XCAD network that's very famous right now for celebrities like KSI. Let's see what else is happening. Is there anything big coming very soon for any huge coin? Okay, Cardano also has a Cube coin launch. TVC, Celsius network has an event. Pretty much nothing special going on for the next few days. So alright, we'll get into our charts and let's see what's happening in our charts. What we find in our Ethereum chart. Let's see what we have in Ethereum dominance. So Ethereum dominance mein we are somewhere here. Yesterday we were just at this my yellow line, but now we are turning that into support, तो अच्छी बात है. Better would be if we come up a bit higher or somewhere here. We'll see alts pumping a lot. So let's see what is BTC's dominance doing at this moment. BTC's dominance has come down. The moment it came down, I started doing some buying because I knew that if I buy now and if I want to sell here, I'll be in some small short profits. तो फिर मैंने इसलिए यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी बाइंग कर ली थी. This is a very good sign. That's why I always keep this yellow line. You should also follow. It's at 41.79 on my chart. तो आप भी एक लाइन वहाँ बना लें अपने चार्ट्स में. Let's see what is BTC doing. तो ये हमारे अब फिब लेवल 0.382 से ये बाउंस हो गया अच्छे अप ट्रेंड में. अगर यहाँ आया डेफिनेटली एक रिजेक्शन इसको मिलेगी, तो बी प्रिपेयर्ड. इफ़ यू वांट टू सेल you can sell some and buy again at the bottom, but let's see how it goes. तो यहाँ पे हम एक डाउन ट्रेंड में चल रहे थे. we broke that down trend. Now we're quite strong, doing quite well here. Ethereum को भी देखते हैं. Ethereum came in my buying zone here and even went down the buying zone, but then slowly it picked up. So interesting. फिब में भी देखते हैं. Ethereum is also I think at 0. Yep, it's about 0.3. Similar copying. मतलब वही पैटर्न चला रहा है जो BTC चला रहा है, बिकॉज अभी Ethereum की डोमिनेंस नहीं है, तो Ethereum can't really dictate terms. AVB alright. BNB made a very nice gain, and let's see where BNB is. So BNB is back in trend, as we can see. ये यहाँ से ऊपर गया, had a breakout, came back in trend, then broke trend, and now it's pretty much inside the trend, which is very good. Let's check out AXS. AX is again in gray zone, and it's again in my safe zone here. Considering कि इसका all time high 93 है, about 93, 94, तो there's a lot of space here if you buy somewhere here, you know. क्योंकि अभी हम इतना डंप हुए तो यहाँ तक आया. टेक्निकली it should be like 41. It used to be very good at this regions, 40 regions, about 36, 50. अब इसने अपना आपको इधर कंसोलिडेट कर लिया और अपना एक ये नया रीजन बना लिया. लेट्स सी KSM. तो KSM इज ऑल राइट, नथिंग टू रियली वरी, क्योंकि इसका पैराचेन का इवेंट भी चल रहा है. गैविन वुड जस्ट रिसेंटली अनाउंस कि इट बिकेम सक्सेसफुल, दे डिड एन ऑडिट. और लेट्स सी लिंक. तो लिंक की अपने हम इसको भी यहाँ ले आते. तो इट केम फ्रॉम आवर सपोर्ट एंड नाउ इट्स इन गुड अप ट्रेंड. लिंक हमेशा आपके वॉलेट्स में होना चाहिए. It should always be part of your portfolio. Link is the only project that almost integrated with all the other projects. तो डॉट को देख लेते हैं. डॉट इज़ ऑल राइट. डॉट का भी इवेंट है पैराचेन का. यूनी इज स्ट्रगलिंग. अडा को देखते हैं. A lot of people are concerned with ADA. तो finally ADA is back in the support zone. If everything goes well, it should be all right for ADA. 217 looks all right. I don't think there should be any problem here. Let's see XRP. तो XRP को केस में मना भी हो गया. XRP आस्क द जज के आप हमें बताएं कि SEC के किन किन लोगों ने कॉइन्स हमारे ख़रीदे हुए या नहीं ख़रीदे हुए, बट जज नेवर अग्रीड एंड दे कांट रियली शो नाउ. सो इट हैपेंस, इट्स ऑल राइट. केस में किसी का लेवरेज ज़्यादा होता है, किसी का कम होता है, एंड यू ट्राई टू मेक योर पॉइंट. तो XRP इज स्टिल हैवियर, मतलब वो ज़्यादा हैवी चल रहे हैं इस वक्त केस के अंदर कंपेयर टू SEC. तो सोलाना को देखते हैं. एक दफ़ा डोज को भी देख लेते हैं. सो डोज इज़ ऑल राइट. डोज में इतनी वॉल्यूम नहीं है, तो वी नो नॉट मैनी न्यूबीज़. Solana is back up in its breakout zone. बेहतरीन हो गया ये तो. AR को देखते हैं. ARB is coming up. रे को देखते हैं. रे is doing very well. स्ट्रम थोड़ा स्लो हुआ है अभी. Matic is alright too. FTT, interesting. FTT has to come back in its trend. थोड़ा slow हो गया क्योंकि trend से बाहर आ गया था. Doesn't have much volume also, we can see here. लूना ने बड़ा पंप लिया तो लूना को ज़रूर देखेंगे हम. लूना ने बहुत अच्छा पंप लिया है. AVAX obviously already created its first all time high. अपना पुराना all time high अभी इसने तोड़ दिया है. तो this is amazing stuff. Almost 179.10 तो 80 79.80, so almost 80 चला गया है. A lot of potential in this project. अगर आपने यहाँ से नहीं लिया था, can't help it. बहुत बोल चुका हूँ मैं ऑलरेडी. ALG भी is doing all right. Atom को भी देखते हैं. Atom is also up pretty much. Atom is gonna test its all-time high very soon. 1 inch is down. EGLD is testing here. If it goes back, I think it might also go to its all-time high. LTC, nothing much. Stellar also nothing much. कोटी is doing well. तो कोशिश करें अगर कोटी इन रीजन में वापस मिले तो बाय कर लें कोटी का, क्योंकि अभी कार्डानो का इवेंट है तो कोटी विल बी पंपिंग, यू नो. और स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हैव बीन सक्सेसफुल. C98 भी थोड़ा इन रीजन में आए तो शुड बाय अगेन, डोंट बाय नाउ. FTM, it's alright, made some gains बस. SLP token also is pumping, not bad. Let's just see BTC at once again, and let me see what we might have today for in store. तो हम 1 घंटे में चलते हैं. We might support test here और वहाँ से टेस्ट लेके हम थोड़ा रिजेक्ट हो जाएं, थोड़ा वापस इस रीजन में आ जाएं. Even if we go down, nothing to worry because we still haven't made a very मतलब मैसिव शिफ्ट नहीं मारे हमने अभी तक, बहुत लो मारा ही नहीं है ना. तो अभी भी जो हमारा एक सिस्टम चल रहा है, it's quite good and I'm expecting a very bullish October. So I guess this is all from me from today. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care, subscribe to the channel. Bye bye guys.